Hello and welcome back. Let's find out what's the difference between puff stitch and bean stitch. So let's make 2 puff stitches and 2 bean stitches, and then you will see the difference. The first one I'm doing just to show you how it's done, and then the second one I will explain exactly what needs to be done in order to call the stitch puff stitch. Okay, so let's make another one. In order to make a puff stitch, you need to start with yarn over. So you yarn over your hook, you place in the stitch you would like to place the stitch, and pull yarn through as many times as you want. Depends how puffy you want the stitch to be. So puff stitch always starts with yarn over first. Also, the difference is how you close the stitch. With puff stitch, you need to hold the working yarn, pull yarn through every single loop, go back, place your hook in between working yarn, yarn over again, and close the stitch. That's the puff stitch. Now let's make a bean stitch. I will use the same amount of rotation for each stitch, so they will be the same size. But as you see, I'm executing the stitch a little bit differently. So let me explain how to make a bean stitch. In order to make a bean stitch, you will place your hook in your stitch first. And then you pull the yarn, your working yarn, through the stitch as many times as you wish. And again, depends how puffy you want the bean stitch to be. In the end, you will not hold yarn like you were pinching in a puff stitch. You just pull yarn through all the loops and you close the stitch. So as you see, they are very similar looking stitches. Just the execution of the stitch is a little bit different, and they will look different if you're using them in every row. I hope this information was helpful to you. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will be happy to help. Have a great day, and see you next time.